With just a few days to the PNP's presidential election, the candidates are making every effort to shore up votes among delegates. Mark Golding made a pitch to delegates in St. Andrew last evening. Lisa Hannah and Mark Golding have just about 7 days to convince delegates that they are the right person to lead the People's National Party. And so, at a delegates meeting Thursday at the Red Hills Primary School in St. Andrew, Mr. Golding reiterated his plans for leadership. Firstly, financially.
My strategy is simple. The PNP must strengthen the organization. We have to raise funds sufficiently to run our organizational arrangements properly.
Mr. Golding believes his experience in the private sector has better prepared him for the role ahead. Under former party president Portia Simpson Miller, he was appointed treasurer in 2009.
For the first time, we put proper accounting systems in place in PNP headquarters. And we got the accounting system up and running. We brought in auditors and we produced audited financial statements for the first time any political party in Jamaica do that. And then we published them on our website. And comrades, the private sector saw what we were doing and said, yes, the PNP understands governance, good governance and transparency. And them support we in the 2011 campaign. And we ran a strong campaign and we win 42 seats and take back power.
In terms of the party's continued disunity, he believes strong action needs to be taken where party members are held accountable or sanctioned when the party's code of conduct is violated. He's also suggesting stronger action to ensure current and future candidates are vetted and monitored to ensure their performance in their constituency is up to standard.
We don't just do it by sending them a questionnaire once a year or something and getting back answers and put them saying, oh, no, everything is hunky-dory and fine. There must be some review on the ground of what is happening. The visits must be made to the divisions or constituencies, talk to the comrades on the ground, hear what they're saying about what is going on so that we can, if there's an issue, we can move to fix it. And then that is the way organizations are managed. You have to hold people accountable.
Both candidates have had several senior party members lining up in their support, but Mr. Golding insists these fundamental functions are critical in the party's next leader.
So comrades, I am tried and tested when it comes to delivering on that score. And I look forward as the president of the party to helping the treasurer and helping the finance committee to raise the funds that we need. It's not going to be easy because we have so few MPs, and the MPs have always contributed to the party through salary deduction. So when you have less, you get less money. Councillors too. So coming not going to be easy, but it means the party leader has to be able to do that effectively.